Nah, you know the other week when Rose was saying she didn't get potato in my name.
Hello guys! Today is the 19th of March, 2020, Thursday. And gagawin ko na yung plano. Ipaprank ko sana siya dito. Kaya lang, sabi ko talaga, imposible talaga na hindi niya makikita kung saan ko man siya ilalagay. Lalo na ngayon summer na yung suot ko pag natutulog halos wala. Yung gagawin ko na lang is ikokonsyaba na lang natin siya. Kasi di ba plano ko din naman iprank yung mama niya. Babe!
Yeah.
We will prank your mom.
How?
I need your help.
What do you want now?
Here, I'll show you. Come here. Sit down here, my love. I'll show you. Do you remember this package? No, you don't remember.
No.
These are tattoos. Temporary tattoos. I was gonna prank you, but I was like, there's no way he will not see it before gumana talaga yung tattoo. Kasi kailangan siya mag-wait ng 24 hours, diba? So, hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay na hindi makikita ni Dan. So, sabi ko, wala talagang chance kay Dan. This is from Inkbox. Hindi to sponsored, ha? So, I ordered 3 tattoos. Kung ano to. This is what I was gonna prank you with.
I can't believe you get a tattoo.
Sorry?
I can't believe you get that.
I know, hindi siya maniniwala na magtatato ako. Kasi alam niyo naman na hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganito. Ganyan sana yung ipaprank ko kay Dan. I had so many plans, but I was like, there's no way you will not see it before I do the prank.
Okay.
But, this is... I've got 2 options to prank your mom.
I saw it. Do my name.
First is ganito guys, ganyan lang. Subdue lang siya, okay lang siya. Are you ready for the second one? I think this is what I will do. And I think your mom will like be upset as well. Oh my gosh, she will be like, Raz, I love my son, but no freaking way.
Daniel what?
Daniel forever. It's a really big one as well, and the font is really giant. I feel like with this one,
No, she'll believe that. She'll believe the smaller one.
She'll believe this, but that's gonna be like funny. And you know, if I put that on here, Daniel forever, she will not believe the big one. Here, Daniel forever, or this Daniel small.
That one.
What do you think she will say?
I know she'll believe it, but that one's funnier.
This is very believable.
This is very you. That's very you.
This is very me.
Yeah, very.
So what do you want to do?
Go a big one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't want to go with this one,
Nah.
the more believable one?
No, do one there and then one on the back. So Sharon, I got 2 tattoos.
Seriously? Okay. Nah, so I'll hide it for a bit so she doesn't see it.
Yeah.
This one, where do you want me to put this one?
Do it up here.
Okay, I will need your help. That's
Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow.
No, do it now because it takes 24 hours.
Does it?
So right now, if you put it on, it's just gonna be invisible. Okay. Yeah. So it takes 24 hours to activate. Let's read it, huh? So it's water resistant. It lasts 1 to 2 weeks, and it's very believable. I've seen it before. It will last 1 to 2 weeks.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Yeah, it's fine. It's just on my back.
Yeah.
We're not going anywhere.
No.
Dan will help me. Lagay niya sa likod ko. Wait, where's the instruction? Kung saan na lang napupunta tong mga to. Prep skin with primer wipe. So it comes with a primer wipe.
Alright, so just put it on.
There you go. No, primer wipe! Ikaw naman! Prep skin with primer wipe.
How many of these did you get? Just 1 per one or?
No, yeah, 1 each. 1 per pack. Exfoliate area with primer wipe for 30 seconds. Put it properly, huh? Make it like very believable. Peel off white backing. Then you forever. What do you think your mom will say? Okay, wait, babe, ha? Place tattoo with adhesive side to your skin.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, don't put it upside down, huh? Do it properly, babe. Yes, yeah, sige. Place protective seal.
So peel this off now?
No, peel that off.
Just leave that on?
Yeah, leave that on and then place it over it.
Really?
Yeah. Didn't you just watch that? See?
What you going?
Yan, nilalagay na ni Dan. And then leave on for 60 minutes.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, all good.
All good? Daniel forever. Gusto ni Dan gawin din yung isa, guys. Yung Daniel lang na maliit yan. We make sure it's like facing the right direction and all that. So how should you put it? Babe, hola, wait up, babe. Lululu. Grabe talaga siya. I don't think it's straight. Is it straight?
It's not real, babe.
I know. I know, but that's the whole point of this video. We want it to make...
it will look real. Trust me.
So, avoid daw ng excessive movement at saka sweating, guys. Okay lang naman, hindi naman ako, sweater. Sweater!
1 hour later. One eternity later.
Hello! Today is Sunday. Today is the day. Ipaprank na namin yung mama ni Dan. So, pupunta kami sa bahay niya kasi ang dami naming gamit na kailangan i-drop off doon sa bahay nila para i-store. Yes, hindi pa din kami tapos. We've been really busy and pupunta kami. So, sabi ko ngayon na natin gawin. Kasi ngayon, iba na yung tattoo ko, guys. Nakakaloka.
The name Danny would have been better because that's what my name would be more of a shock. She might like this.
Right now, I have the pineapple tattoo, which you can't really see properly. Pero pineapple siya. 3 tattoos yung binili ko, diba? Yung isa, Danyo. Tapos yung isa, Danyo Forever. Hindi siya mabasa ng maayos. So, sabi ko, napaka-fake niya tingnan. So, sabi ko, wag na lang yun. Yun na sana yung Danyo kasi para talaga siyang totoo. And if you've been watching my vlogs, nakita na ng iba yun. Sa sobrang busy namin, hindi namin siya na-prank, guys. Pumunta kami dun sa kanila. Wala sa plano. So, hindi namin siya na plano ng maayos. Tinago ko na lang yung tattoo para hindi niya makita. So, sobrang busy namin as in flat out, hindi namin siya na-prank. So today, sabi ko, kailangan natin siya gawin today kasi feeling ko, sa next time na magkikita kami, hindi na to makikita. Kasi it only last, less than 2 weeks. Hindi ko alam kung paano kailangan natin ikonsyaba si Mr. Sayang yung previous tattoo kasi feeling ko, dun talaga siya magre-react ng bongga. Nung last kita namin, sinabihan siya ni Dan na, hala si Raz, plano niya magpatattoo, pangalan ko. Tapos sobra yung reaction niya talaga, as in may mga F-word. Kasi ayaw niya talaga. Sabi niya, wag mo yung gagawin. Kahit na ilang taon na kayo magkasama, wag mo ipatattoo yung pangalan niya. Ang dami yung sinasabi. So sabi ko kay Dan, sana hindi mo muna sinabi kasi walang vlog. Sobrang, as in, ganun talaga siya, guys. Kasi, okay lang sa kanya magpatattoo. Kasi meron naman siya, si Dan meron. Yung mga anak niya, yung 3 anak niya, meron silang mga tats. And, okay lang sa kanya. Pero alam niya na hindi talaga ako, like, mahilig sa mga ganito. So, tingnan natin yung reaction niya. Are we gonna tell her that my tattoo is your name before we show her?
Nah.
Just to get the reaction.
Alright.
What was her reaction last time you told her that I got a tattoo of your name?
Hello. Hello. We got more stuff.
Have you? Is that the unit?
Later.
No, I didn't put it in.
Yeah.
I'll do it later.
Can't be bothered. I'm so tired.
So, you probably don't like it, but
What is it?
I've got
Shoot 'em all day.
tuna mornay.
Ah! He loves tuna mornay.
Yeah, but it's with, have a taste of it and see what you think, alright? There's enough for all of us.
Yummy?
Right, you like it?
I don't know if you like it, Raz.
I'll give you a some. Yeah. Oh, this way. There you go.
I feel that.
Oh.
Good.
You like it? Okay.
I'll add another bowl, have a bowl.
What up?
Better than nothing, hey? You know, get something else.
Thank you.
We don't have anything planned anyway.
Does it look good, the house?
Yeah. Lots of stuff out, which is pretty much
Very
your plan.
clean looking.
I like having minimal stuff. Like Raz's clutter, it just shows you got too much stuff. Raz. So much, like, you just feel so much more free.
Yeah.
I'll try and have this.
Now your spare room is full.
With
Of
Raz's
my
stuff.
stuff. We just need to do the floors and that's it.
Oh, that's good
We're
then.
done. Yeah.
We do that tomorrow morning or?
Nah, I'll try and finish it tonight. The vacuum's dead and the what do you call that? The mop is
Thank
dead
you.
as well.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you got the battery one, haven't you? You gotta recharge it.
Yeah. So it's canned tuna
Yeah.
Yeah.
and
Pasta.
Pasta,
is that broccoli?
broccolini, a little bit of corn,
Corn.
milk.
Was that your dinner?
Yeah.
Okay.
What have you been cooking for dinners?
I had yesterday. I had zucchini sauce.
Okay.
Is that actually a real different one I've never used before? And that was good.
Yeah.
We're Chinese.
Lasagnas with
Yeah, we had
zucchini slices. So yeah, every day I've been cooking.
Yeah.
Been cooking something I wouldn't normally cook.
You know the other week when Rose was saying she was going to get the tattoo of my name? Oh, she actually got a... Come here, I'll show you.
Oh, you did get one?
She got something, yeah.
Can you believe it?
She actually got a couple of weeks, so she was a bit too scared to show you.
I've been hiding everything.
Come here, so she can...
No, I'm not gonna show you yet.
Show me.
It says Daniel.
Let's have a look.
It's got my name.
Let's have a look.
No, it's okay.
Let's have a look.
I have one here. Do you want to pick? It was on this side.
What is it?
Show the one on your wrist. This is
It
better.
says Daniel forever.
Oh,
Show the one on your wrist.
that's what Rob's got. I love heart with dip in it.
Show the other one on your wrist.
And, are you ready?
Yeah. What the fuck's that?
It's a pineapple.
Do you see the tattoo on my back?
I couldn't see it properly.
It says Daniel forever.
That's sad.
It's really big.
Yeah, I can see that.
Can you see how big it is?
Oh, I turn around and have a look. Come, pull your top up.
No. You can just pick.
What made you do that?
I don't know. Daniel made me do it. He said it's gonna look really good.
Oh yeah. You always get it redone and put something else on it.
Like a really big. It's already really big. It's a really big
Put a
pig.
big eagle on your back.
Eagle.
Something like that.
Okay, bahay na kami. Successful ba yung prank natin? Feeling ko successful. Pero kung sana na-film niyo ni Dan yung unang reaction niya talaga nung sinabi niya na magpapatuto ako ng pangalan niya. Mas okay yung reaction niya na yun kasi sobrang... Kanina kasi parang feeling ko, wala na akong magawa kasi nandyan na. So parang, sige pakita mo sa akin. Saan na, pakita mo. Ganun lang siya. Pero... Noong una talaga, sabi niya talaga, wag, gano'n talaga siya sa akin. Ang dami ko pang ganito. So, ito na naman yung gamitan natin. 7 days na naman to. Ito na naman yung Premium Lululun na galing Kyoto. Green tea ba to? Or hindi ko alam. Pinakita ko sa kanya yun dito. Tapos, hindi man lang siya na-shock na bakit malaki. Parang naisip niya, nandyan na kasi. Parang ganun. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung makikita yun ng maayos. Kapag ginanon ko kasi, ayan. Pineapple siya, guys. Realistic naman siya tingnan. Ito medyo may pagka-fail siya. Like, see yun dito. Kasi nilagay namin to sobrang gabing-gabi na. After ng lahat na ng trabaho namin ni Dan sa gabi, we went to bed and sabi ko, oh my gosh, kailangan natin ilagay yung tattoo. Kasi nga, it takes 24 to 36 hours to develop. Ay nakatulog ako habang hinihintay na umabot ng 60 minutes. So, yung patch niya dun, I think it stayed for 3 hours. I woke up in the middle of the night to go to the toilet and dun ko lang siya tinanggal. Nung paglagay din ni Dan, nilagay niya, nalapat niya, tapos kinuha niya, binalik niya. Suggest ko kung gagamit kayo nito, like make sure talaga na ilalapat niyo siya once lang and yun na yun, final na yun na pagkalapat. So dapat you get it right the first time. Guys, yung aming bahay, nilinis namin ng bongga. Kami ni Dan, naging professional cleaner kami yesterday and today. I will do a house tour. Pakita ko sa inyo guys because Our house now looks different from what it was. We got rid of so much stuff, so much clutter sa bahay. Yung iba nasa storage, yung iba nasa dumpster, yung iba nasa ukay-ukay. Photos will be taken tomorrow. That's why sobrang flat out kami yesterday and today. Ito yung mga photos na para i-advertise yung pagbebenta ng bahay namin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sneak peek dito sa banyo. Wala nang laman, yan lang. Oh. Anyway, that's gonna be the next vlog, house tour. Pero sana na-enjoy nyo tong vlog na to. Salamat guys for watching. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.